YouTube, you know. Got a Tsurikawa, heart shape. About to put in the veloster. About to figure out where I'm gonna put it. Comes with 3 screws. Make sure you don't lose those. And I got black. Let's see where I put that. Where I thought is I'm gonna just put it right here. You know it's gonna hit people's face right here, so I'm gonna just put it right here. But yeah, but all you need to do is just like put 3 screws there, and then just put it wherever you want. It's pretty easy. That's about it. You know, give me a like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep these videos coming up. You know, little things for the veloster. And there we go. That's the last product. Not bad, not bad. It's kind of rainy. Well, let's see. Can't see. Can't honestly see. Let's see. It's just pretty good. Doesn't catch a lot of attention unless you're inside. Yeah, I dig it. I dig it. Shout out to my girl that she got it. And got a banner inside. I got here in the mail today. I'm about to put that soon, so keep you guys updated.